Domestic Assistance Services Sydney. Professional in-home friendly care and assistance services for your loved ones. One-stop destination for all your domestic assistance needs. Persons living alone, with a disability, or senior people may often need extra help with domestic chores and tasks such as cleaning, laundry, cooking, and more. At Grace Care, we provide dedicated, trained caregivers for the best quality domestic assistance. Flexible care options, available from 1 to 24 hours a day. Live-in care services, comprehensive support around the clock. Immediate assistance, care can begin on the same day. As an approved and certified provider, we deliver top-notch care and domestic assistance in Sydney through affordable domestic care packages. We provide dedicated help for domestic duties, patient care, companionship, personal care, transport assistance, post-operative support, nursing, cooking, and cleaning.